This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about plates, specifically these Shinto porcelain plates. We have the medium size here, and there are 3 sizes available. The medium is 10¼ inches long by 2¾ inches wide, and it has 1¼ inch depth. The small size is 6 inches long by 2½ by 1 inch deep, and the large is 17 inches long by 4 inches wide and 1¾ inches deep. And you can see they all have this wonderful unique shape to them. It's a nice kind of concave plate. It's got that lovely curve to it across it. And then it's also got a nice subtle curve to the actual plate as well. So you get this wonderful Japanese inspired look on this lovely pristine kind of white porcelain plate. You can see it's also got a nice little footing down here at the bottom for great stability. So it's giving you a beautiful and stylish presentation while also being really great to use. It's made from high quality, chip resistant porcelain that gives you that really pristine white color that's a lovely neutral background just to really show off your foods while adding just that little bit of style. So these are perfect for serving things like sushi and sashimi, tapas, appetizers, and a variety of little mini desserts, and really anything your imagination can dream up. So these are going to be excellent serving plates for those unique presentations, and it can really stand up to heavy use in commercial environments because it's made of that great durable porcelain. So these are perfect for restaurants to use at catered events or just at home for a special touch to your weeknight dinner presentation.